This morning on Today Food, 2 easy recipes that both use fresh summer produce. Chef Janice Carte is the founder of Tiny Spoon Chef. It's a service that connects families with personal chefs
Genius idea,
who help you
by the way.
grocery shop and meal prep right in your home. Thank you for being you.
Getting to work.
It also happens to be where Al's daughter Courtney works at this company.
That's right.
Now my worlds are all coming together.
all
Good
together.
morning.
They are.
So happy to have you on the show this morning.
Thank you.
So what are we making? I have to admit, the secret ingredient, it threw me for a second, but it makes sense.
Do you like zucchini?
In stuff.
Well,
I love zucchini.
I'm a big fan of lying to people.
Yeah.
So it's true. You could
No,
ask
actually,
anybody.
I do. I love it with squash and all the things. It's yummy. So, but kids can't taste it. Adults
You
either.
can't. You peel it. You
Yeah.
hide it in there. You tell everybody it's
Wait,
just
that's
a
a
turkey
lot,
burger.
though, that you can't taste.
I
Like,
mean,
that much?
You put that much in there and you flavor it up. We've
And
got
this is ground turkey?
It is ground turkey, so it's heart healthy, Al. Heart healthy. These are a whole bunch of Mexican spices. We've got some chili powder, garlic, oregano, cumin, coriander. If you don't have all these spices, get yourself a taco seasoning pack.
Okay.
Just
Same words.
And mix that in the turkey burger?
same proportions, just mix it right in.
Okay.
And then you're going to form it into patties. So you get 6 patties out of it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for that assist, Al.
That is.
6 patties.
So you're going to get 6 beautiful patties out of that.
Okay.
And when you form them together, you're not going to drain the zucchini. It's going to keep them nice and not dry.
Okay.
Not dry. We don't say
Oh,
we don't say
don't
the
drain
M
it.
word.
No.
Okay.
No M word. So you're going to get them right in the pan.
Right?
Beautiful.
Easy peasy.
You're going to melt some cheddar cheese on top.
Right. How long on each side?
Like 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. You're going to get the cheddar cheese on there.
Boom.
Some beautiful, boom. Yes.
What's up
really
with this?
good.
Yeah, what's up with this bun?
Craig, why are you surprised?
Well, because I'll be honest with you, when I saw all that zucchini go in, I was a little skeptical.
Well,
This is really good.
he was ready for disappointment, Chenille.
Listen, you could not
He
even
works with
taste
us.
the zucchini. You're
Well-
right.
Tell me about these buns, too, by the way. What's the story on the buns?
Just a little onion bun.
Okay.
Who doesn't
Good.
have
A little
good
onion makes
bun?
things better.
Okay.
These are really
So this
terrific.
next recipe, guys, this is her grandmother's recipe, and she's watching this morning.
Oh my gosh, she's 96.
96. What's her
God
name
bless.
again?
Irma.
Hi, Irma.
Hi, Grandma.
Irma's watching
Mwah.
this morning, and you're going to share her recipe.
We call her Grandma, but she's a thief and a scamp, so I'm sure she is. She would tell you that too.
A thief and it almost sounds like a Sinatra song. Yeah.
Well, probably Sinatra wrote songs about her, but
There you go.
so it's flour, sugar, and baking powder. And then I'm going to add milk and melted butter. But, Al, you can add some lemon juice and
Okay.
the cinnamon to 2
So
cups.
you just start with strawberries and blueberries?
So this is
mixed
strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries.
Okay.
But you can use whatever fresh fruit you like. It doesn't have to be berries. I've done it with peaches. I've done it with all kinds of things.
This
I
is
noticed
pretty
you got some
simple.
sugar.
We do. So this is a
Sugar.
little unusual. You make
Okay.
this kind of thick batter.
Okay.
And then what you do is you dollop it over the top and you spread it out.
Okay.
So you got kind of a thick batter.
Right.
Al, we're going to dollop it over the top.
What about the sugar?
Well, hold on.
Well, there's sugar in here.
Okay. Well, I'm excited to try this one.
So when you dollop this on the top, then you're going to spread it out and cover the edges. See how yours is all covered on the edges? There's a little trick to this. I'm pretty sure she stole it off of like a Better Homes and Gardens or something like that.
Good.
You see how the top is so crispy?
Right.
You mix this together. You're going to sprinkle this over the top.
Oh,
Oh,
baby.
that's why it's so good.
Well, that's why.
And then
But it does have fruit on the bottom, so it's healthy.
it's a salad. It's
Yeah,
basically
exactly.
a salad.
It's basically a salad.
And then you put a cup of boiling water over the top.
Oh, wow.
Why does the water have to be boiling?
Well, here's the magic. It sets the cornstarch and it makes that pudding texture on the bottom. The whole thing kind of inverts, Craig, when it bakes. But it also, like, it's got that
crunch on the top.
crispy, like,
Yeah.
crunchy. And
Hey,
that's the
It's
secret of
almost
it.
like a cake and a meringue.
Well done, Irma.
Yeah.
Well
Yeah.
done.
I did.
She's amazing for a reason. Legend.
And Janice,
Wow.
thank you.
Yeah.
We love you, Irma. Thank you for this.
Thank you.
Thank
Right.
you.
Janice, you
So
should
just-
come back. We like
Yummy.
this.
Anytime,
And
baby.
easy. Just scan the QR code or head to today.com/food to sign up for a free Today account and save these recipes. We will be right back.
And this is